Hey, it's around here. I'm doing a quick video on how to use the sales page outline document. This is a free PDF download, and you might be watching this while you already downloaded it, or you might be looking at maybe downloading it, or you're going to download it after this video. So I wanted to explain how to make use of this page so you can actually write your sales page. The purpose of this is to just help you with getting rid of any mental block on outlining your website, your sales page, something like that. Okay. So what I did is I took this sales page, which is one of my better sales pages that actually converted really well. And this is my client acquisition training course. So this was a pre-launch. So I basically created the course. Sorry, I created the sales page before creating the course. I sent this to my email list and I made sales. Okay. So what I did is I actually broke down every piece here. So for example, this is the title, the headline. Okay. This is the hook. This is the video and price, call to action. Who is this course for? Who is it not for? Who is it not for? And so on. And then I just broke down every single piece. Okay. Now, how to make good use of this is I want you to basically take this PDF download, okay, and take the headline, okay, so you can literally just copy it, put it on a Word document, and then type your headline, okay? Once you've done that, copy and paste the hook, okay, and then type the hook right under it. And then you got the sales video, okay? So create the sales video, okay, on what you want to say. And the sales video, the simplicity of that is you just simply want to say why somebody should buy this book, this course or this product or whatever it is you're doing. And then will be the call to action. Now here, calling out your ideal customer. So copy and paste this and then type the details for that, okay? Then copy and paste this and under it type the details on saying who is this course not for and the upfront information about it. And then the benefits of the course, what they will learn from it. Okay, so there's a long list of benefits. So for example, in my sales page, you'll see that I created a whole bunch of details right here. What we learned, and there's all the benefits. How to start an online business with $0 and no skills. How to sell social media without being salesy. How to grow an online business on a shoestring budget, and so on and so on. Okay, so there's a lot of benefits here as to what this course will teach. Okay, so write down all these details, basically. Okay, that's what you want to do. After that, it's the testimonials. So you could see right here, I had a lot of testimonials. So copy and paste your testimonials from Facebook or whatever, and then do that. And then FAQs. Now the FAQs basically is, let me just go there. So there's different questions that people have asked me regarding this course or that I know people might ask. So I write the question and then I'll record the answer. Now, in terms of this process and how to do it, I actually wrote a blog about this. And this is episode 4 of my podcast. How do I overcome mental block when writing copy for my sales letter or funnel? And I gave exact details on how to do it, examples of different questions you can answer. So you can write down these questions as well and answer those and so on. And I outline exactly how to do it here. Okay. So there you go. And then you obviously list the bonuses, give the guarantee, and then just keep adding all this information. By the time you've done all of that, you'll have quite a chunky Word document with all the details you need that you can then use to create a funnel, a sales page, and so on. Of course, I recommend to use Run Funnels. It's the one that I use. That's my software. It's excellent to use. And if you're not already a member, then you can go to runfunnels.com and learn more about it. Otherwise, hope that helps no matter what software you're using, maybe using WordPress or something else, doesn't matter. But hope you get some value in terms of the sales page and how to do it. Again, is all the details here. There is, of course, recommended books on what to do and so on. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So go ahead and download this PDF if you're watching this video on YouTube or you're watching it on my website or whatever, or Facebook. go ahead and download the PDF. This PDF is 100% free. Okay, make good use of it. It will help you with your sales to actually get really good sales pages and overcome the mental block. So go ahead and get started, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks. Bye.